What's up, YouTube? Back with another video, a cooking video. And guess what? I'm making some eggs with some cheese. So, yeah. I need to add some more eggs, but pretend that some of these eggs are cooking just quite well. So, and I'm about to put some cheese in here because, yeah, I like cheese with my eggs. Pretty good. Whoever don't like cheese with their eggs, wow. That's all I gotta say is wow. You're missing out. But I'm just sitting here pulling the cheese that I have. I mean, it's not a lot of eggs, but I like a lot of cheese on my eggs. So, and my brother and my brother upstairs. Let's start mixing. And I might add some more eggs, make some more eggs because no, I might not have to. Because this is quick enough. But, yeah. I'm doing is cooking eggs right now. So, if anybody can tell me how to do that little thing, like, that little thing where you fast forward on your videos and you can pause it and stuff like that. I don't know how to do all that stuff because I'm new to the YouTube stuff. So, I don't know how to do all that stuff like that. But, but I don't know how to do all that stuff. So, I'm gonna put these eggs back. Put this cheese back. I just put on my shirt. What's wrong with me? Here's some egg stuff in it. Put this stuff back. Gotta air out all the air. Let me check on these eggs. They cook pretty fast. There's cheese on the side. I have to get it. Got it. I think that's enough, so we can turn the stove off. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. The eggs. Yum, 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 yum. Y'all want some? Eat. Okay. There was a piece of egg on my phone. Alright, let's start stirring these because they're not done. So let's start that on this little thing. Let's set them right here. Put this stuff back there. Y'all can probably see it. Y'all can probably see it right here. Like, right there. Because the egg stuff right there. Because the pan is like right there. That air out all this stuff. Good. Then we'll fold it. Let's just fold this. I don't know why, but then we'll fold it and it looks like this. New block of cheese, but on front it looks a hot mess. Let's get this. Put the egg and stuff back in. Let's put this stuff back in the refrigerator now. Here case my brother case and stuff. See? You see, look. Alright, so you pull out this, and then we have all this stuff right here. You put that cheese at the front. So yeah. Then you close the door back. Then you open the fridge, the whole fridge. Hi, Kason. We're gonna put the eggs back in the thing. So what we're first gonna do first is we're gonna wipe this mess up. I'm gonna wipe it up. Wipe it, wipe it, wipe it up. Wipe it, wipe it, wipe it up. Up. So we're gonna get rid of it. I'm just gonna wipe this stuff up. Hey, son. It's eggs, bruh.
Ew.
You like eggs. Not that quite much, but you like them, right? Okay, so let's go get a plate. Maybe it's not here, okay, son. Alright, so let's get a plate and stuff like that. Now that's a bowl. Let's get a plate. I got a snack cupboard. I still have eggs right here.
I can still have Fortnite. Sissy Papa. Sissy Papa. Sissy Papa. Papa.
Okay. Yeah.
Come on.
There you go.
Let's see back.
Bye, Sissy.
Bye. Okay, so just make some eggs. It ain't gonna be fancy. I put some water in this little pan right here. And I cook them. Cause you know it's dirty. Okay, so let's put some water in there. And then we're gonna put it right back on the stove. My grandma can wash it. She'll be alright. She'll be quiet. Oh my gosh. This is why you cannot film and do everything I want to do. No, it don't work like that. Look, I'm putting some water in it. Some might spill out, but that don't matter. Put some water in it. Alright, that should be enough. Should be enough water for it. Let's pick this John up with one hand. Cause I only got one hand. I'm scared. I'm scared. Whew. Land on it real safely. Let's get a fork. Let's get a fork. Okay, right here. Oh my gosh, got this fork. I want that type of fork, and I want a straw. Let's get a straw. Let's get a straw. Let's get a straw. I'm gonna get some orange juice and stuff like that. Oh my god. How dirty. Oh no, my straw. See, I gotta get another one. No, I don't. But let's get some orange juice, cause that's what we need in the morning. Some freaking orange juice. So let's get a cup. I'm using a glass one today. So I'm really using this plastic cups no more. This be getting on my nerves, and I don't like it. So we're looking outside right now. It's really foggy. Not foggy. It's not foggy at all. Actually, let's get some ice. Let's get some ice. Which one should I get? Should I get the crunchy can or this can? I should get this can, probably. Probably so. I don't know. Okay. That's a little bit too much over what I needed. But anyway, got some orange juice right here. We got eggs and orange juice. That's my breakfast. I have been eating breakfast for a few days now. About like 2. Yeah. 100% orange juice. And yeah. Did I say from Kentucky? Oh my god. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, I almost broke the whole fridge. And we got a TV on top of our fridge, so I almost broke it. Alright, let's go upstairs. I feel like eating down here. The garbage people are so freaking loud. Got me freaking bent. Come on. Got my breakfast. Got my breakfast right here. I'm going in the back of my room. So, guys, that was all for this video. Hope you like and subscribe. Hope you really like this video. I'm about to sit here and enjoy my food. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. Like and subscribe. It's like, nah. Bye, y'all. What the heck?